Hi everyone. So today we are here with a project named A Systematic Approach for Automated Extraction of Data from Clinical Reports using NLP and Artificial Intelligence Predictive Analysis Tools. So this slide represents the group members and we are a team of 5. Machine learning has played a crucial part in health industry in the past 6 years. Today, machine learning is helping to streamline administrative process in hospitals, treat infectious diseases, and personalize medical treatments. One of the biggest and directly consumer impacting potential application of artificial intelligence in healthcare is its ability in helping people stay healthy. The mainstream companies like Apple are making tracking cardiac health, fall detection, and emergency SOS major products of their portfolio. Previously, people used to go to the doctor to track the minor status of their health like heartbeat, blood pressure, etc. But the use of Fitbits and Apple Watch has reduced the stress of meeting a doctor and brought it to our fingertips. Also, in this pandemic, with the help of machine learning, doctors are able to treat patients remotely across the globe. Therefore, AI is to be noted as the future of healthcare. One of the major concerns arrives when a doctor needs to refer hundreds of documents to give a best solution for the patient. So this project simplifies the burden laid on a doctor by summarizing the documents fed into the system, which would be precise and as well as clear. For example, if a patient is prone to allergy for some type of material and if that material exists in one of the medicine, then it would be a danger for the patient's health. The precise summary would be retrieved by two major techniques, that is extraction and summarization. Extraction takes out the key information, whereas summarization generates meaningful synopsis of the entire document. Also, to run this model smoothly, we have also designed a GUI to make it easier for the doctors to operate the model. So let's move on to the workflow of the project.
This is the workflow overview of our project, which includes three major parts: input, processing, and output. The project begins with getting the input from the user in the form of a PDF file containing scanned images. This file is then transferred to the model, which first pre-processes the image in the PDF and then applies OCR technique to extract the text from images. This text is then cleaned and saved to be used for summarization model. Summarization model takes the clean text and tokenizes it. The tokenized text is then summarized into 30% of the original text and is exported to GUI. GUI prints the text exported from the model in the output area. The data, which is in the form of patients' actual reports, has been obtained directly from the healthcare stakeholder. The records are in the form of PDF, which contains scanned images. The data was also taken from US clinical trials, which is then used for summarization. This data will be then pre-processed, which would be further explained.
So moving on to data pre-processing. As mentioned earlier, the data available to us was in form of PDFs which contained scanned images which were unclear, blurred, and the text was unable to be read from them. So AWS Library TextRect cleans the images by blurring those, removing the noise from them, and smoothing the images so that the data available is clear. Then the library applies OCR techniques to read the text from those clear images. The extracted text had some errors such as unuseful characters and spelling issues. So to clear those issues, first we used inbuilt Python functions to remove the characters. For the spelling issue, we created a custom spell checker with help of medical dictionaries as well as normal English dictionary to replace the wrong word with the original spelling. This cleared the spelling error issue and gave us the correct text, which could then be used for summarization model. This data was saved and passed to the summarization model further. Here is an sample of original text versus the extracted text. It is clearly visible that the original text is not readable with even human eye. So OCR was used to clear the images and read the text from it. So this data was then saved and passed to the summarization models.
The clean text which we get after text preprocessing technique is passed into our summarization model. But first of all, what is summarization and how it's done in machine learning? Summarization is nothing but getting a paragraph of a few meaningful sentence which can give insights of the main article. And in machine learning, there are two approaches for summarization. One is extractive summarization, another is abstractive summarization. Extractive summarization is extracting the keywords using word frequency method and creating a summary using those keywords. Abstractive summarization is also extracting the keywords, but not by using frequency method, but using word to vec method, which can give a similar words for the keywords, and using these similar words we will create a summary of the article. But due to data constraint, we are going with the extractive approach, and this approach is done using a Python library called Spacy, which is capable of dealing with large text. So steps that are needed to create this Spacy summarization model are: first, we need to tokenize the text using in Spacy's inbuilt language model, and then extract the keywords, like excluding the stop words and including important POS tags, and normalize these keywords. Like normalization is nothing but getting the weights of these keywords in the range of 0 and 1. Next, after extracting these keywords, we will loop through every sentences to find these keywords. So if keywords are found in a sentence, this sentence is kept aside, and we'll sum up the weight of these keywords in all these sentences, and pick the top sentences to create the summary. This is how Spacy summarization is done, and this Spacy model is this entire Spacy coding is kept in a Python function, um, where there are two attributes. One is text, another is limit. Text is nothing but which text do you want the summarization for, and limit is how many sentences do you want in the summary. Now we have successfully developed some Spacy summarization model which can take text and give us back the summarization. But how can users can access these model to get their summarization? This is done by creating a web interface using Flask web development library. The procedure is as follows for in creating a web interface. Every major step explained above, like extraction, cleaning, and summarization, are converted into Python functions which can be easily called into a main application. Also, creating a HTML file for the front end of the interface and integrating it with the application accordingly. Also, creating a CSS file, which means cascading style sheets for styling the front end to make it look good by integrating it with our HTML. Finally, the web interface which we created is on your right side of the slide. The main features of this web interface is users can upload any type of file format into this web interface and get their summarization. Also, user can upload text into this text box and get their summarization. Now doctors can easily go through the patient record in just one click.
After successfully creating the graphical user interface for the healthcare stakeholders, we have been able to achieve the goal of the project. This web interface, which can potentially summarize the medical text records will serve many benefits in the industry, few of which are easy access of patient records at the point of care, time saving while making medical decisions for the patients, reducing medical inaccuracies and further deciding the right course of treatment for the patient, and lastly, better communication between the patient and the healthcare provider through availability of information. While working on this project, we came across several challenges which we have been able to overcome successfully. The first and the foremost was to familiarize with the medical terminologies so as to execute extraction and summarization techniques properly. Second was to capture the real-time performance of the data on the model. Lastly, since web interface was crucial to our study, it was challenging to create the desirable output within the stipulated time. Although our model is efficient enough to handle the data complexities and provide the desirable results, there is still some work that can be further done on the built model. One is to incorporate the working of more file formats on the web interface. Second, a separate tab can be created on the web interface for URL. So web resources can also be used in the study. Since this time we have used the system with limited processing power, if higher processing power can be used, this will shorten the time to summarize the text records. In our project, we have used two techniques for summarization and finalize PACY as the final. More techniques can also be explored as a future work. These are the few references which helped us in completing the project. Thank you.